Look, a weeper. Very small one. Let's fix it. Wide Stick Alum Block under the cold water. Glide it right on the neck. See if it comes back. See how easily and quickly it works? Pretty amazing. Disappeared. Do me a favor, smash that subscribe button down there and then ring the bell up there so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.